this is the letter M. What is the sound of the letter M? The sound of the letter M is Come on, say it with me. Great work! Now, let's look at words with the letter M. This is a man. Man. Great work! Now, we're outside and it's really muddy. Can you spot what words have the letter M? This is a month. Month. Next, we have the letter M between the word helmet. Come on, say it with me. Helmet. Helmet. Excellent. Then we have two letter M's in the word mom. Let's say it together. Mom. Mom. Lovely. And finally, we have the letter M at the end of the word arm. What is it? Arm. Arm. Excellent work, everyone. Now, it's your turn to say the letter M.